Nanely Chorba. Growing up, my nana used to make this for me all the time, and it was one of my favorites. It definitely reminds me of my childhood. Let's make Nanely Chorba. I know it has a lot of different names. It's just what we called it. Also, sometimes you put meat in it, or Kibbe. I know. Half cup rice, and about 4 cups water. You wanna simmer this for about 45 minutes to an hour. Releases the starches. After about 45 minutes, you can see the rice has been pulverized. Take 2 pounds of plain yogurt. You wanna leave it out of the fridge for a little bit. Let it kinda come to room temperature. Take 1 ladle of your soup and temper the yogurt. That way it doesn't break. Or you can use Kadon's high temp yogurt. Pour it back in while stirring. In a hot pan, add some butter, 3 cloves of garlic, and a couple tablespoons of dried mint. Now add that into your soup. Season with salt and pepper. Bring it all back up to temperature. Careful not to boil it, it'll break. It looks so delicious. It reminds me of my childhood. Oh, yeah, wow. That's just like Nana used to make it. Maybe, not so much. It can never be like that, but it's still pretty good. Want some?